However, recent tiger mortalities are pointing to a contrasting picture. As many as 25 deaths have been reported from Madhya Pradesh, and that too in just the first 6 months of this year. Not just Madhya Pradesh. According to the latest statistics from the National Tiger Conservation Authority, a total of 81 tiger deaths have been recorded across the country between January and July this year. This has raised clearly serious concerns about the state of wildlife conservation in the nation and also put a spotlight on the agony. Govind, my colleague, joins me for more. Govind, good morning. This is clearly concerning, but what have we been able to pick up in terms of the reasons why this would be happening and how they plan to essentially navigate this situation?
Yeah, absolutely. It's quite welcome for Madhya Pradesh. You know that Madhya Pradesh, known as Tiger State, with having 783 tigers alone in Madhya Pradesh, in fact. But in last few months, we have witnessing that the poaching and the suspicious death of tigers in the different national parks, in fact, tiger reserves, national parks, in fact, whether we talk about Bandhavgarh, Pench Tiger Reserve, or we talk about Panna Tiger Reserve. In fact, even near Bhopal, we have witnessed three or more incidences in which tigers were killed in the suspicious situation. And if we talk about the statistics, we find that in last 6 months, in fact, 25 tigers alone were killed in Madhya Pradesh or found in the suspicious condition killing. So definitely the wildlife activist Mr. Ajay Dubey has written a letter asking for the CBI inquiry in the same concern. But it's quite worrisome and quite worrisome for the state government also, because this kind of situation has never been seen that so rapidly. Deaths of tigers were reserved. In fact, in 2009, we also witnessed the same kind of situation there in Panna Tiger Reserve, in fact, where we found that the continuous deaths, and it was tireless at that time. So the same kind of situation going to be there in Bandhavgarh National Park. That's why wildlife activists they have asked for the CBI inquiry in this concern.
Right. Right, Govind. Thank you very much for getting us more details as far as what we're picking up with this concerning situation. Having said that, let's now shift our focus to good news that we're tracking as far as